days of police custody has been granted in Birch by Romeo Lane Nightclub fire case. The investigator intensified the probe into the deadly incident that claimed 25 lives. Anjuna police had arrested Raghuvir Bagkar, the former secretary of the Arpora Nagoa panchayat, and produced him before the Mapusa Judicial Magistrate First Class Court. The court on Saturday granted police custody for 5 days to allow a deeper investigation into his alleged role in granting permissions to the nightclub. Bagkar was arrested on Friday evening in Chikalim village in Bardez after remaining untraceable since his anticipatory bail plea was rejected by the trial court. Police say they were closely tracing his movements and acted on specific intelligence input to detain him. The arrest marks a major development in the case, especially as the investigation has highlighted serious lapses by local bodies. Meanwhile, another key accused, former Arpora sarpanch Roshan Redkar, continues to evade arrest. Redkar has approached the Bombay High Court at Goa seeking anticipatory bail, and the matter is currently being heard. Further developments are expected as the 5-day custodial interrogation progresses.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.